Hey Skullbells TV, it's Coach Casey here, this time showing you how to use the horizontal leg press machine. If you have access to one of these classics, you should definitely take advantage of it and add it to your routine because it'll emphasize different parts of your legs than what the linear leg press will hit. Being a quad focused type of leg machine, the horizontal leg press is particularly beneficial for those who struggle to activate their quads, and also for those who have had any hip injuries. The reason for this is because of the weight distribution, as you'll feel when you execute your first rep, because the weight is heaviest when your legs are locked out. And if you've been training legs for very long, you know that the quads are most active closer to the lockout. And your posterior chain, which in this case includes your glutes and your hamstrings, is most active toward the bottom part of the lift. It's the same with squats as well. Your quads are most active toward the top of a squat, and your glutes are most active toward the bottom of the squat.
Well said, Coach Casey. Coach Colt here, everybody. As someone that has long femurs, my glutes and hamstrings are naturally stronger than my quads and therefore overpower them when I use the linear leg press. So the horizontal press has become a staple quad builder between now and my next IPL competition. Casey, back to you for our burnout technique, my man.
So for the burnout today, Coach Colt made me do 12 reps and then finish with a 20-second negative and 5 partials after I had no gas left in the tank. I'm going to challenge you to push the extra mile and do this once you've got the basic form down. You can use this burnout technique with any exercise, and the leg press is a great place to use it. On your last rep, simply take 20 seconds to lower the weight all the way back to the starting position. Once you're back to where you started, execute 5 more partial reps, even if you can only push it a few inches with each rep. The point is to force your muscles to continue working even after they've hit the point of failure. It's techniques like this that separate the professionals from the amateurs. Remember that you need 4 things to build muscle. Number 1, stimulus. You should be tracking your weight and adding either more weight or more reps every time you do the exercise to signal your muscle for growth. Number 2, protein. Your body needs complete amino acids to repair properly, and the best source is animal-based protein. Number 3, water. Number 4, recovery. And one more thing, if you're a stim junkie, leave a comment below with one thing you learned from this video, and you'll be entered for a giveaway for a tub of our ESP Extreme pre-workout from Metabolic Nutrition. Totally free. Thanks for watching, and happy leg day.